I cook with my air fryer almost every day, and oil sprayers are one of those things that look simple but can be super annoying if you buy the wrong one. So I bought and tested 5 popular options to find the best oil sprayer for air fryer, using them on real meals, real messes, and real cleanup. Product number 1, Fine Dine 16 Oz Olive Oil Sprayer. When I picked up the Fine Dine bottle, the first thing I noticed was the weight. That thick glass feels solid, not flimsy, and the measurement marks are actually readable. I like being able to switch between mist and stream without swapping bottles. In the air fryer, the mist came out even and light, which helped my food crisp without greasy spots. For veggies and chicken, I used way less oil than usual. The stream setting was handy for pan cooking and roasting trays. Nothing dripped down the sides and my counter stayed clean. Cleaning it was easy since the opening is wide. This one feels like an all-around kitchen tool, not just an air fryer accessory. If you want one bottle that does multiple jobs and looks good sitting out, this is a safe pick. That said, I tried something totally different right after this to compare performance and value. Product number 2, Mantova Air Fryer Spray. When I grabbed the Mantova spray, it felt lighter since it's a pre-filled bottle, not glass. The nozzle gives a clean, controlled spray without that weird chemical smell some cans have. I tested it at high heat in the air fryer and on a hot grill pan, and it never smoked or burned. That 450-degree tolerance actually matters. The oil coats evenly, which helped veggies brown instead of dry out. I also like that it's non-aerosol, so no slippery residue on my hands. The downside is you can't refill it, so once it's empty, that's it. Still, for people who don't want to deal with cleaning or refilling bottles, this is easy and predictable. If convenience and high heat cooking are your priorities, this one makes sense. After using a ready-made option, I went back to refillable sprayers again. It saved time during busy weeknight dinners without adding extra cleanup stress. Product number 3, 2-pack stainless steel oil sprayers. Holding the 2-pack stainless steel sprayers, they felt compact and sturdy, almost like bar tools. The glass bottles are smaller, which I actually liked for control. During testing, one full spray really did feel measured, so I wasn't overdoing oil in the air fryer. I used these for chicken wings, salads, and even a quick barbecue setup outside. The mist is fine, but you do need a steady hand to get even coverage. I appreciated that they included a funnel and cleaning brush because refilling is part of the deal here. These are easy to toss in a bag for grilling or picnics. If you're watching calories closely or want something portable, this set makes sense. After that, I tried a slightly bigger bottle with a different spray style. It worked best with olive and avocado oils, and cleaned up fast without lingering smells after repeated use over several weeks. Product number 4, 200 ml glass olive oil sprayer. When I held this 200 ml glass sprayer, it felt lightweight but balanced in my hand. The trigger has a longer pull, so I had to adjust my motion like the instructions said. Once I did, the spray came out evenly. Each pull delivers a consistent amount, which helped me track oil better when air frying potatoes and fish. I liked the larger capacity because I wasn't refilling it constantly. It didn't leak even when I laid it on its side. The glass feels thick enough for daily use, and cleanup was simple. This one works well if you want a bigger bottle without going bulky. It's great for home cooks who meal prep a lot. After using this, I tested a more premium-looking option with finer mist control. It handled olive, canola, and vegetable oils without clogging as long as I kept the nozzle clean between refills and regular use. Product number 5, Mistafy Premium Oil Sprayer. When I first picked up the Mistafy sprayer, the dark glass immediately stood out. It feels sturdy and looks nice enough to leave on the counter. The fan-shaped mist is very fine, and once it's primed, it sprays evenly every time. I used it mostly in the air fryer and for salads, and coverage was consistent without soaking anything. Each press gives a controlled amount, which helped me avoid overoiling. I like that the bottle protects oil from light since olive oil can go bad fast. It didn't drip or clog during my testing. This one feels more premium and intentional. If you care about precise spraying and looks, this is a solid choice. After testing all 5, I had a clear favorite depending on cooking style. It required a few pumps at first, but then worked flawlessly and stayed mess-free through daily use over several weeks of testing period.